Let's get roasting. I'm gonna do this, like, get roasting. Like, oh my god, her hair looks like diarrhea. Like, first of all, oh fake ass. Georgie from It. You look like Georgie from It, maybe. What are those? I have roasted someone before. No, these three should not be friends. Me and her should be friends. Her and these two, Like, first of all. Oh my god! What are those trash Yeezys do you have on? Like, okay, first of all, what are those trash Yeezys? And what are those trash Jordans? They look like shit. Like, what are those trash glasses? His hairstyle is trash. Oh my god! Wait a minute. Why is he touching? Okay, first of all, I don't like this. Why does he touch Chrissy inappropriately? Why? Okay, first of all, I remember this episode where Kino was like, listen, Zero Man. What the heck is Zero Man supposed to mean? What part of Zero Man do you not understand? Your clothing line is trash. You know what? Get